The P0174 code indicates that your engine is experiencing a lean mixture condition on bank 2. That is, there is too much air or not enough fuel reaching the cylinders on the second bank of your engine, in vehicles with V or boxer-type engines. The computer detects that, on that side of the engine, the air-fuel ratio is unbalanced toward air. The most common symptoms are, of course, the check engine light being on, but you might also notice a lack of power, rough idling, and the car might even unexpectedly stall when stopped. So what do we do if the P0174 appears on your dashboard? The first thing is to check the code with an OBD2 scanner to confirm, then focus on bank 2. One of the most common causes is vacuum leaks on that side of the engine. Check the vacuum hoses, intake manifold gaskets, and the PCV hose. Also, the MAF, or mass airflow sensor, if dirty or faulty, can send incorrect readings, affecting both banks. Finally, a clogged fuel filter or dirty or faulty fuel injectors on bank 2 can restrict fuel delivery. Important precautions. Don't ignore this code. If you let it go, a persistent lean mixture can lead to engine overheating, damage to catalytic converters, which are very expensive to replace, and premature wear of internal engine components. In the long run, this can result in much more expensive repairs and a reduced lifespan for your vehicle.